All right, so today's question is about lemons, and we see that we have 6 groups of lemons. Within each group are 4 lemons. So I've chosen to represent those with our 4 bead bars here, and funny enough, they're yellow like a lemon. So each group of lemons is now represented by a bead bar, and what happens is I can now put these together, and I'll be able to make an array, or um, a rectangle, where we'll be able to evaluate its base and its height, which will tell us a little bit about multiplying and multiplication. So here's my array, and I'm going to go ahead and enter a text box because we're going to talk a little bit about what multiplication sentence we can write for this. So we have a group of 4, and it is taken or multiplied 6 times. 6 times. Now to solve that, we can do our skip counting. We can think of our bead chains. We can count each individually. We can group them and say, well, we have a group of 12 and a group of 12. There's lots of ways that we could get to the solution here. I do kind of like the idea of dividing them, because if I have a group of 12 here and 12 here, well, I know 12 plus 12 is 24. I also know that I could skip count and double check myself and make sure I know what I'm talking about by saying 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 24. So the lemons here, we have a total of 24 lemons in the 6 groups of 4 that we see. So let's think about it in another way. Reveal my next one. So here I have an additional multiplication sentence that belongs in the same family. I'll bring it close here. So this is the same rectangle. As you can see, it has the same shape. We could superimpose them and they would match. The difference is that we've taken the base here, and now it's the height with this multiplication problem. And we have the height here, which is now the base with this one. But it is the same rectangle, and each of these multiplication sentences belong in the same family. 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 times 4 is 24.